Hi, I'm April with WTI. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be brutally honest. I am a very, very hairy person. I seriously have a lot of hair on my body. So of course, I've been searching for a hair removal treatment. And I wanted one that actually worked and that wasn't going to break the bank. I am so very, very happy to tell you that this Beam IPL laser by Happy Curves is amazing. I appreciate that it is a very powerful yet super simple at-home system. They provide a pair of glasses for eye protection, a razor for initial hair removal, and a great instruction manual. My favorite thing about this device is that it's literally pain-free and it has an integrated safety system that prevents any unintentional flashing. It only activates when in contact with skin, and it can automatically adapt to your skin tone. It has an automatic mode that definitely helps to quickly tackle large areas and a manual mode for smaller areas. I've been using this device for about 3 weeks now, and I have definitely noticed a significant decrease in hair growth, resulting in silky, smooth, hair-free skin. And that's my point of view.